Oh my gosh, would you look at that amazingness? That's my keto lasagna. Come on, I'll teach you how. Super easy. I've got a secret ingredient, so stick with me. First, you're gonna soften some onion in a large skillet, add your ground beef, do this all in one pan. Once the ground beef is nicely cooked and your onions are nice and soft, you're gonna add in your marinara sauce. I like to use Rao's, 1.5 cups. Mix that together and turn off the heat, set it off to the side. In another bowl, you're gonna add together your ricotta cheese, 2 eggs, salt, and garlic powder. You can add oregano or Italian spices as well. Mix that all together, and now you're ready to do your assembly. This recipe is enough for 1 large casserole or 2 smaller casseroles. Lasagna is always done in layers, so start with your meat sauce, then do a little bit of the ricotta cheese mixture, and then you'll sprinkle your casserole dish with some mozzarella cheese. And here is my secret ingredient. I like to do a layer of deli meat. I use this as noodles. You can use deli turkey, you can use deli chicken, use whatever you want, but it actually takes on the full flavor of your lasagna. So that's your first layer. Now you're gonna use the rest of the ingredients to make another layer, and then sprinkle the whole top with Parmesan cheese. Serve this up with a big garden salad. You can save it as leftovers. Go to thekellykitchen.com for more.